Hi, I'm John Fulreader. I'm a senior electrical engineering student here at Clarkson from Groton, Massachusetts. I chose Clarkson because a main focus on engineering and the speed program in general. I wanted something where I could get hands-on engineering experience starting as a freshman, and I really liked the proximity to mountain biking places, skiing places, and just all the outdoors activities that we have at our disposal here. Yeah, the speed program is a really great opportunity to get hands-on experience in engineering really early on in your academics. For me, it really helps that there wasn't a lot of people on the team that we had. We have a much smaller team, so you get a lot more experience with design and learning the skills necessary to build major projects that you'll have similar projects like in the workforce, and it prepares you well for that. So the speed program really gave me guidance of what I actually wanted to do with my hands-on experience. I think my experience on the speed team led to me getting my first internship, which is at Ensign, Bickford Aerospace and Defense, 2 summers ago. And then over the spring semester, last semester, I worked at Tesla Motors. And then in the summer, I got an internship at Beta Technologies. At Beta Technologies, I was working as a controls electronics engineer. So I was working on designing support equipment, ground support equipment. And then at Tesla, I was a low voltage architecture intern. So basically determining how many controllers we're gonna have in the car, all the wiring, pinouts, stuff like that. And then at Ensign Bickford, I was an electrical design intern, and I was basically working on test equipment and a couple development boards. Development boards are basically like printed circuit boards. So you have a bunch of electronic components on them, and then you basically mill out copper areas for traces and connects all the electronic components. So basically the development boards were for like testing a certain component. So I think my favorite part about electrical engineering is kind of how it's a puzzle and you're kind of combining circuit blocks together. And there's a lot of like concepts that you can apply. So knowing a certain concept and how that's going to affect the circuit and what this component is doing in that circuit is really interesting and just is a good challenge. Through the speed program, I really got good PCB design experience and circuit design experience, which really helped me on my internships. I would have kind of been lost if I didn't have that. So for the speed program and like Formula Electric, it's a lot of designing like analog circuits and digital circuits that are really applicable to real world applications.